Hi everyone, here we've got an OPPO A33 from 2020 and let me show you how to change the wallpaper on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll a little and tap on home screen and wallpaper. Now let's scroll down again, and here we've got to enter the set wallpaper option. And as you can see here, we've got two different albums to choose the wallpaper from, so we can choose something from the static wallpapers or live wallpapers. What's more, you can tap on photos and then you will be transferred to your own gallery and you will be able to pick some photos and set them as a wallpaper. But let me pick something from the static wallpapers, for example, and as you can see here, we've got the list of defaultly installed wallpapers from which we can choose. So simply find the one you want to use, and in order to check the preview of it, just tap on it. And if you are happy with your choice, just tap on Set As. And as you can see here, we've got some options to choose from. You can set it as a lock screen, home screen, or both. And I think I will pick both, so simply tap on the option you want to use. Now let's get back to the home page, and as you can see, it has been immediately applied. So actually that's all. This is how to change the wallpaper in your OPPO A33 from 2020. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.